अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के अंदर, पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के अंदर ब्रोकर कैसे बनते हैं और इसका क्या कैरियर है, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स, डिग्री और क्वालिफ़िकेशंस क्या होनी चाहिए और ये किस तरीके से किया जाता है, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। Like many professionals, the finance and business field, successful stockbroker passes strong strategic thinking and communication skills. These professionals guide their clients on which stock to buy and answer investment questions pertaining to risk and reward. They must also have sales skills since they sell stocks. Some job listings and websites may refer a stockbroker position under different titles: securities, commodities, and financial services. Sales agents all complete the same job responsibilities as stockbrokers. According to PaySale, stockbrokers earn many more as they advance in their careers. For example, an entry-level stockbroker earns an average annual salary $46382, while a stockbroker with more than 20 years of experience earns $1999 to $1990. Aspiring stockbrokers need at least a bachelor's degree and must pass a series of exams administered by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. However, professionals with additional education like a master's degree may enjoy more success with selling stocks as a client trusts them more. Keep trading to learn more about the stockbroker salary, how to select a stockbroker education program, and what it takes to become a stockbroker. Frequently asked questions. What is a stockbroker? Stockbroker sells stocks to invest and earn a commission. They hold a license to execute trade within the stock market. How does a stockbroker compare to a financial advisor? Financial advisors offer general advices to clients on how to invest their money to achieve a specific goal. Stockbrokers focuses on marketing and making smooth stock transactions for their clients. Are stockbrokers the only people who can buy and sell stocks? Clients and companies must rely on stockbrokers to buy and sell stocks. Some full services stockbrokers may offer advice on which stocks to purchase, but they primarily facilitate stock transactions. How long does it take to become a stockbroker? It takes at least 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree to become a stockbroker. Some stockbrokers may choose to earn their master's in business administration to enhance their credentials. Thank you so much.